There's a conversation that needs to happen after betrayal, but most couples can't touch it. It's too raw. It's too loaded. One wrong word and boom, the whole thing explodes, right? But what if there's a couple who's walked this exact path, both sides of it, could help you bridge that conversation? Here's what I see all of the time in my office. Good men who are genuinely sorry, want to make things right, but they're missing about 80% of what's actually happening inside their partner. See if this sounds familiar. You say you're sorry, she doesn't feel it. You think she should be past this by now, and she feels more alone. And you try to fix it, and she feels even more broken.
Years ago, I discovered that the man I loved had been living a double life. It was like flying headfirst into a glass window, suddenly shocked, disoriented, and left gasping for air. Everything I thought I could trust shattered, and I was left trying to take the next step in a world that no longer felt safe or recognizable.
So guys, if you've broken trust, your wife is carrying pain that you can't fully see. Saying I'm sorry won't be enough. Wanting to move forward quickly won't work. One of the things I hear most is, look, I said I'm sorry. Why can't we just move on from here? Why do we have to keep rehashing the past? Or, hey, I've learned my lesson. I won't do it again. What she needs most is for you to slow down, listen, and step into her reality, even when it's uncomfortable.
As a betrayed wife, I can tell you, what hurts most isn't just the betrayal itself. It's feeling like he doesn't understand the depth of it. That gap can either widen the divide or become the bridge to healing. Which one it becomes depends on what you do next.
And that's why Teresa and I are here, to help men learn how to show up in a way that actually begins to restore safety and rebuild trust. Not with quick fixes, not with pressure, but with courage and steady presence.
When you take those steps, you're not only helping her heal, you're giving your marriage a real chance to recover.
So if you're ready to learn what rebuilding trust really takes, we'll walk you through it, step by step. What's one place you feel stuck in showing up for your wife? Post the answer to that here, because I promise you are not the only one.